Hey everyone, welcome to 2025 and welcome to my channel where I share beginner friendly Python tutorial. So in today's video, we will dive into the common and versatile feature used in Python, which is list. So whether you are managing data or organizing tasks, list is a must know in Python. So let's dive in. What is a list? A list in Python is a collection that allows you to store multiple items in a single variable. In my previous video, I explained what a variable is. It's a container. So let's think about when I said name and I said Shade. So I can say names, then it creates a list for different names. So here you can say fruit, then you can start with apple, banana, cherry, mango, depending on everything you want to put, depending on all the items you want to put inside your list. So unlike a variable that you use a bracket, in a list you use a square bracket. Definitely by the time you put a square bracket, Python will know that you are creating a list and it's not just any variable. So in this case, fruits, which is our variable name, have 3 to 4 items, saying apple, banana, cherry, mango. So here are some important things to know about list. 1, it is ordered. It is in order. When we say apple, the banana, the cherry, they are in order, and you can access them using their position, which is also known as indexing. When you index a list, you want to know like the apple now. If you want to get the position of apple in the list, there is what you do. We still get into index in the coming videos. If you want to get the position of cherry, if you want to get the position of mango, that's also an indexing. Like you want to call just one fruit out of the list, indexing. 2, the list is mutable. You can change it, you can add or you can remove items in the list. You can decide to remove banana and replace it with mango. You can replace it with apricot, papaya, depending on what you want. 3, a list can be heterogeneous. What do I mean by this? Yes, a list can contain different data types, which can be number, which is either integer or float, or the two. Then it can also contain string, or it can even contain a list, which means we are having a list inside a list. Here are basic operations we can perform with a list as a data analyst using Python. 1, you can access items. So you can access individual items using index in Python. And also note that index starts from 0 in Python programming. That is, if you have 4 items in your variable, in your list, like the example I've stated earlier, the fruit, we have apple, banana, cherry, mango. Those are 4 items. While indexing, it means you have 0 to 3 items in your list. That's based on the position. It doesn't start from 0. So if you have 10 items, it means you have 0 to 9. If you have 20, you have 0 to 19 based on the position. We have number 2, you can add items. You can add items to a list using the append or insert function in Python. So using the append or insert, append adds to the end of the list. We have apple, banana, cherry, mango. Then you can choose to use the append function to add orange to the end of the list, which means you'll be having apple, banana, cherry, mango, and orange. Then you can have the insert. The insert function is stating the position where you want the new item you want to add to be. So you can choose to add to position 0, which is the beginning of the list, or you can choose to add to the position 4, which is the end of the list. You can insert using the insert function, showing the position. You can say 1, blueberry, which means you want the item at 1 which is a banana, to change to blueberry, to put blueberry in position where the banana is. 3. You can remove items. Yes, you can remove items in a list using the remove function or the pop function. So removing function, like you just have to state the item you want to remove, like remove banana. Banana will be removed while you print out your results. You can say pop. Pop, you need to add the position of what you want to remove. Can you state the difference here? Using the remove function, you need to state the item name. Why pop, you just need to state the position of the item, then it will be removed. 4. You can update items. Yeah, you can modify a specific item in the list by accessing the index. I've explained earlier, it's just like inserting the appending of item. So you just need to state the position. You can just say fruit, the index, then what's the new item you want to add, which means replace. Okay, let's say you want to replace apple with grape. So we just say fruit, the index number of apple, which is 0, then is equal to, by assigning it to grape. Then by the time we assign it to grape, when we print out, apple is removed and grape is being inserted. So the 5th, we also have slicing. You can slice a list. If you have thousands of items in a list and you need them, you need just a portion, you can use it to slice. It's just by using the positioning, the index positioning of the item to call the portion you need out. So in later videos, I will explain more on slicing a list, which will bring us to the topic of working with a list. By the time we start working with a list, you can slice it, because you might not need everything in your list. All the items in your list, you might not need them, might just need a portion of it. So here are some useful methods you should know about the list. 1. The length function. This will help you check the length of your list, the list of items in your list, just to know the number of items contained in the list. So in coming videos, I'll be showing more practical length function working with a list. So in this, before the end of the week, I'll be uploading a video showing the Python page. Mostly I'll be using Google Colab, because I've been using Jupyter. So I'm using Google Colab for the first, showing you Google Colab for the first time. This is the first time I'm using Google Colab. So you can sort your list too. So this automatically arrange your list in ascending order. Then you can reverse, which means you can reverse the order of items in your list. So in the coming video, I'll be showing live coding demonstration to show each operation I've just explained above. So that's it. These are incredible and powerful and form the foundation of more advanced Python concepts. So start practicing by creating your own list, and don't forget to explore the various methods we've discussed in the previous videos. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Python tips and tutorial. So leave a comment with your favorite emoji and see you in the next video.